All right, let's get you out the door here on this Monday morning. Taking you out to Clyde Warren Park out there. It's going to be mild with those winds. A little gusty out of the south here, 20 miles per hour. Taking you out to Clyde Warren here this morning. No issues, though, otherwise out there. We're going to have a few high clouds moving through the area, I think, from time to time today. And as I mentioned, a shift in those winds a little bit later on. So if you're trying to get out, get a little exercise in before you head off to work this morning, walking the dog, no issues out there. It is all green between now and 9 a.m. Now, as we go through the day, again, we will have plenty of sunshine. Won't be quite as warm, though, as it was yesterday. So we got into those lower 90s, again, tying that record high, as you know, out at DFW. But we'll have that mix of higher clouds and some sunshine today. South winds will become a little more northerly around midday, give or take a little bit as we head into the afternoon hours. We'll see those temperatures cooling down. And we'll still be close to 90 heading down to Austin, San Antonio today, upper 80s for Houston. But we'll be in the mid 80s here, some upper 70s along the Red River. And we probably won't get out of the 60s as you get up into Oklahoma City there, out across portions of the Panhandle. So much cooler there. But we'll cool down a little bit more as we head into tomorrow, probably not getting out of the upper 70s for us. Then we begin to warm back up. By midweek, we're looking at some low 80s, and then those upper 80s as we get into Thursday. And then as we head into Friday, still going to be above normal with those highs in the mid 80s once again. But we'll start to talk about some rain and storm chances around that time as well. And the high pressure will slide off to the east as we go through the week. And there's that area of low pressure that will be setting up out to our west. We'll have several disturbances moving through beginning late Friday, going right through Easter weekend. So we will kind of settle into a little bit of an unsettled weather pattern with those rain chances increasing a little bit now, it looks like, as we head into Easter weekend. So here's how it will look maybe later this week with our timecast. I do think we'll get through the day Friday dry, but Friday night going into Saturday, we'll begin to see some showers and thunderstorms developing probably west of Dallas and Fort Worth initially. So I don't think Saturday will be a washout, but we will have some scattered showers and storms to keep an eye on. But those will become a little more widespread late Saturday, probably heading into early Sunday. This is around 8 a.m. the time you're heading off to Easter services around 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. We'll have some widespread showers and storms, a little more likely for us, it looks like, as we head into Sunday. And we'll have that potential for some strong, maybe severe storms during that time as well. So keep checking back as we make updates to the forecast. So here's what it looks like through the week. We'll see a slight dip in those temperatures tomorrow, back into the 80s later this week. And we'll go with about a 40% coverage with the showers and storms late Friday, heading into Friday evening and Friday night. A 50% coverage on Sunday or Saturday. And then on Sunday, Easter Sunday, we're looking at about a 60% chance for some showers and storms. And I do think that unsettled weather pattern will continue for the second half of the 14-day forecast the following week. All right, let's get one more check on traffic. Back over to Brianda.